Okay, in this video I'm going to explain how this YouTuber lost her monetization on her channel and how you can avoid this terrible mistake that can snatch away your YouTube monetization on your channel. This can happen to anyone. It is a very simple mistake. Make sure you follow all of the tips in this video to learn how to avoid this. Okay, this is Tupas Mahat here. First, let me explain how to avoid the basic problems that people face with monetization on their channel. Okay, the first one is avoiding copyrighted music. Use copyright-free music. Go to the YouTube studio and go to the audio library, and you can just download it from there and use that in your editor. Okay, another thing you need to avoid is using content from other YouTubers directly without any voiceover, without any changing or nothing. That will actually cause you issues on your video, and maybe you can even lose the entire channel. So be careful. If you are using content from other YouTubers, then you need to get their permission and use a voiceover. You can trim it and change the background like this.
Explanation why I was demonetized.
And make sure you use short clips. Don't use entire segments of someone else's video, because that will also land you in hot water. Another thing to avoid is controversial topics like war, violence, weapons, all of that. It's very hard to get monetized if your channel is about AK-47 rifles than if it's about toys. Another tip, which will actually help your channel in general, is to add like a watermark in your channel on your videos so no one else can reuse them. That can also help. If your channel doesn't have you on camera and you're just like building something, then people can reuse that, so be careful. Okay, let me explain what this YouTuber did. Let's get into the main part of the story. What she did was, she had a lot of channels on her phone and she was swiping between them. She has so many channels that she's managing, and what she did was, she accidentally uploaded a video from one of her channels to the other one. She uploaded the video to both channels. She meant to delete one of them, but she forgot. So she lost her monetization and she got kicked out of the YouTube partnership program because of reused content. This is against the YouTube policy. You can't have repetitive or reused content. Like, say for example, if I have a video on my channel and I upload it again on my own channel, or if I upload it on a different channel, then that means I'm reusing the same content. It's repetitive. It's just a waste of time for people watching because they've already seen it. If you do that, then you will lose monetization, and that's what this YouTuber did. Her name is D Onojas, and she has multiple channels. She went through a lot of stress for many months going over and over this, reapplying to the YouTube partnership program and trying to find out which video she uploaded twice. So avoid the stress of this, keep track of what you upload to your channels, and also don't reuse content and don't repeat content on your different channels. Or you can just be very careful about it and keep a record of it if you are using compilations of some of your videos on your other channels. Okay, this is Mark from Tupas here. If this video has helped you out so far, then hit that subscribe button. If you have faced something like this, or if you know about this, then leave a comment down below. I read all of your comments. Okay, those are the tips for this video. Don't add watermarks in your video from TikTok and all of that. Don't use copyright music. Don't reuse other people's content. Don't re-upload your own content, or be very careful when re-uploading your own content to your channel or your other channels, and avoid controversial topics for your channel so you can get monetized. I have also made another video on how to make money from YouTube once you get views. So click this video right here.